Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows laptop turns off when unplugged even with new battery. First method is, turn off the laptop, and unplug the power cord. Disconnect any peripheral devices, then remove the computer from any port replicator or docking station. Remove the battery from the computer. With the battery and power cord unplugged, press and hold the power button for approximately 15 seconds. After you drain the capacitors, reinsert the battery, then plug in the power cord. Leave peripheral devices disconnected. Turn on the laptop. Second method is type Edit Power Plan in Windows search bar, click Edit Power Plan. Click Change Advanced Power Settings. Click and expand Processor Power Management. Click and expand Maximum Processor State. On battery, change to 25%. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.